Most men are living in a house they didn't build. They are a product of their impulses, slaves to a dopamine loop they don't even understand. You feel the weight of it, don't you? That heavy sensation of potential being slowly strangled by comfort. You have become a tenant in your own life, watching the years slip away while you chase the next hit of instant gratification. But here is the cold truth. Weakness is a choice. And today, you are choosing to stop. Today, we begin the construction of something permanent. Total concentration is not a skill. It is an infrastructure. You are building an internal factory where the only currency accepted is effort. Quiet the mind and stabilize the breath until your pulse becomes a metronome for your ambition. While they seek comfort, you seek friction. While they look for an easy way, you look for the hardest path available. Construct the machine. This is the part they don't show in the highlights. The 4 A.M. silence. The 100th rep when your body is screaming for you to quit. True growth doesn't happen during the victory. It happens in the monotony. It happens when you are bored, tired, and alone. But you keep the factory running anyway. You aren't just building muscles. You are building a mind that cannot be broken. The grind is the filter. It lets the weak through, and it keeps the kings. Level up. The old version of you didn't survive the transformation. Good. He was a ghost, a memory. Arise. You are no longer a victim of your circumstances. You are the architect of your own sovereignty. The work is the reward. The pain is the proof. Reign over yourself. The factory is operational. The monarch is awakened. Now, go and claim what is yours.